Ellie the elephant had a problem. She couldn't stop sneezing. Ah, 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 achoo! Her sneezes were so big, they launched birds out of trees, flipped turtles upside down, and once even blew the farmer's hat all the way to the moon. Okay, maybe just onto the barn roof. The jungle animals held a meeting. Monkey said, "Let's give her allergy medicine." Parrot said, "Let's give her tissues the size of bed sheets." But Hippo had the best idea. Maybe she just needs to stop sniffing flowers. They all turned to Ellie, who had just buried her face in a giant bouquet. The sneeze was so powerful it gave everyone new hairstyles, even the bald lion. From that day on, Ellie promised to admire flowers from very, very far away.